Hello, very good day to you. Yes, it's exceptionally hot across some parts, but not everywhere through today. Actually, towards the north and west, a real fresher feel to things. There is also a frontal system lingering here, but further south and east, some hot air, but it's not quite as hot as it is across parts of France and Spain at the moment, where we've had some record-breaking heat over the last couple of days. Nonetheless, some very high temperatures to watch out for as we go through today. In fact, it's going to be the hottest opening day of Wimbledon on record as well, with lots of sunshine across the bulk of England and Wales. We're seeing temperatures rising very high indeed. With that sunshine, we are going to see a few showers developing across parts of the Midlands, maybe into northern England, and these could be a bit thundery, but they're going to be pretty isolated, most places avoiding them. Further north and west, that front then bringing a fair bit of cloud and also some blustery wet weather across parts of Northern Ireland and Scotland. We could see rainfall totals of around 30 millimetres, maybe even a little bit more than this in just 3 to 6 hours. So some localised issues possible, particularly as we go later on in the day. The big talking point though are our temperatures. Yes, where we have that front towards the northwest, it's markedly fresher than towards the southeast. High teens, low 20s for some places here. But towards the southeast, central parts, southeastern England, we're going to see some very high temperatures indeed, likely to get to highs in the high 20s, low 30s quite widely, and we could even be looking at highs around 34 or 35 Celsius. So unlikely to exceed the all-time June record of 35.6. Not out of the question, but it's pretty unlikely. Then as we go through the end of the day, still hot and humid across much of England and Wales, still a few showers dotted around. The front in the northwest does edge a bit further south and eastwards across parts of Scotland, feeding through Northern Ireland and pushing into the far north of England, but it fizzles out as it goes through the night, and so a lot of that rain breaking up and dying away. So by the time that we get to around 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, most places will be largely dry, just a bit more cloud where we have that front lingering across southern eastern Scotland, parts of northern England into Wales and perhaps the southwest as well. It is going to be a very warm and humid night for many of us, particularly towards the south. Here, some places will most likely stay above 20 Celsius, so a tropical night for some, difficult for sleeping. Markedly fresher though towards the north and west, with some places getting into single digits. And then as we go through tomorrow, still this front lingering across kind of this central third of the UK, I guess. It's a bit of a three-way split as we go through tomorrow, where we have that front lingering, more cloud across parts of southern Scotland, northern England into Wales, and some rain pepping up as we go through the day as well. Could be some thunder mixed in with this. Towards the northwest, across much of Northern Ireland, northern and western Scotland, a good deal of fine sunny weather here. Bit of a change to today. Meanwhile, towards the southeast, lots of sunshine on offer. Barely a cloud in the sky across parts of the southeast. And because there will be almost unbroken sunshine through much of the day, although the air hasn't changed a huge amount, in fact we're getting slightly fresher air coming in from the west. If anything, temperatures in the southeast could be a little bit higher through Tuesday than they will be through today. Across many places, things turning a little bit fresher, so temperatures dropping a little bit down. But yes, like I say, towards the southeast, they're looking similar, or perhaps even a little bit higher. So 34, possibly 35, even 36 Celsius isn't out of the question. Obviously, that won't affect the all-time June record, as tomorrow is the 1st of July. Then as we go through later on in the week, we do see some fresher air coming in from the west. There is a system bringing some wetter weather to the southeast on Wednesday into Thursday for a time. But yeah, a real change to a drop in our temperatures. So some more comfortable nights ahead. And whilst it is still going to be warm in any sunshine, it's not going to be anywhere near as hot as it is to start the week. There is then a front coming in from the northwest as we go through Friday. That's likely to push its way southeastwards as we go into the weekend. So most of us will see some wetter weather at times. For more information about what to expect through this week's weather, well, check out our week ahead forecast, which will be available with Honor later on. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.